Dear viewers, today we will discuss very important topic in economics, Alfred Marshall's definition of economics. Now we will explain what is the Alfred Marshall's definition of economics. Alfred Marshall 1842 to 1924 was a British economist and a pioneer of the study of economics. He was a professor of economics at the University of Cambridge and is widely regarded as one of the most influential economists of the 19th century. Marshall defined economics as the study of mankind in the ordinary business of life. He believed that economics was concerned with the practical issues of how people make decisions about what to buy, what to sell, and how to produce goods and services. He argued that economics should be concerned with understanding how people make these decisions, how they interact with one another in markets, and how these interactions affect the overall functioning of the economy. Marshall is also known for his development of the concept of marginal utility, which is the additional satisfaction a consumer derives from consuming one more unit of a good or service. He argued that consumers make decisions about what to buy based on the marginal utility they receive from consuming different goods and services. Marshall's definition of economics as the study of mankind in the ordinary business of life is still widely quoted and has had a lasting impact on the field of economics. He was a prolific writer and his work helped to shape the direction of economics as a discipline influencing generations of economists and policy makers. Dear viewers, today we will discuss very important topic related to economics. We will discuss Robert's definition of economics. First of all, we will discuss what is the definition of economics according to Robert. Lionel Robin, 1898 to 1984, was a British economist who is best known for his definition of economics as a science that studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and scores, means which have alternative uses. According to Robbins' definition, economics is concerned with how individuals and societies allocate scarce resources to meet their unlimited wants and needs. He emphasized that economics is not just about the production and distribution of goods and services, but also about the choices people make when faced with limited resources. Robert's definition of economics highlights the central importance of scarcity and choices in economic analysis. He argued that economics should focus on understanding the behavior of individuals and organizations as they make decisions about how to use scarce resources in the most efficient and effective way possible. Robert's definition of economics has had a lasting impact on the field, and his ideas have been widely adopted by economists and policymakers around the world. His approach to economics is still widely studied and is considered a cornerstone of modern economic thought.